Whoa, hey guys, welcome back to another video here. This is Pedro Fame. Just wanted to talk to you guys about what's been going on. So the reason why I haven't been uploading and anything like that was because my camera kept going in and out for some reason, and I spent money on that one, and it sucked that it, was going in and out. So I bought myself a new one. Finally got a GoPro. So I'm working off my GoPro Hero 7 Silver. So better videos, better quality, finally. And you guys have been waiting for that because I know my quality's been pretty crappy. But from here on out, it's total grind mode. It's total, ready to do what I love to do, which is making videos, and hopefully do this for a full-time job for you guys. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a video every day except for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I probably won't do another video for a little bit after Friday, just because I'm having surgery, getting my wisdom teeth removed. So it's gonna suck. It's gonna be about a week probably before you see me again after Friday. Probably won't see me until like Saturday, but I at least want to let you guys know I am okay. I am doing good. Just want to give you guys like a kind of an update. Also, I want to kind of do an update because I'm kind of pissed that Tony 2 Wild, I think his name was, the YouTuber who does sneaker vlogs, he got the brand new alternate grapes, Jordan 5s, and he posted on his YouTube channel. He got it like a week or two early. I think it might have been 2 weeks early or something like that. Pissed because I really wanted those. My number one shoe I've been wanting so bad. I know he has a partnership with Champs. By the way, Champs, if you're watching this, I would like sponsorship too. I'll do whatever it takes to get sponsored by you guys. I'm not gonna sell out myself because I'm still gonna obviously do videos and things like that. I'm not gonna all right, every day, all right, yeah, look what I'm wearing, Champ stuff. No, I'm gonna be, honest and not sell my soul or anything, but I would love to get a sponsorship at some point. If anybody wants to sponsor me, my email that I do sponsorships for is pedrofame@icloud.com. So if you guys want to shout out, anything like that, hit my line there. That's my business inquiry. I'm gonna start to change up my Instagram and do more of a business sense one for that. Also, I want to go ahead and show you guys what I've been wearing most of the time. So this is going to be more of a shoe one. Like I said, every day afterwards, I'm going to do some other ones. You're going to see other videos from me. Don't worry about it. Editing wise, it may take a little bit because I am going to get eventually Final Cut Pro. I just don't know when. My financial situation has to gain a little bit more. I've been doing well on my job. Just wanted to go ahead and, I know people have been asking me, oh, how are you doing your job? I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing pretty good. Still learning, still growing, still getting better at my job. I'm a leasing consultant at the Grand Reserve at Maitland. I also have great rent amounts, so if anybody's looking for an apartment, let me know. I can definitely help you guys out there if you're looking to move into Maitland, Altamont area. It's very close to Altamont, so I say Maitland, Altamont area. But so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing the most. So you guys kind of can see there what I'm wearing. Yeah, so the Jordan 3 All-Star Chicago's. I love those shoes. Been wearing those probably the most. You do see my 6s there, my wash jean denim pair. I've been wearing those a lot. I think the ones that I haven't been wearing a whole lot have been these 5s. I've been starting to wear them a little more, so that's good. Haven't worn my wheat 6s in a while. And then I have been wearing my Air Force Ones a little bit. LeBrons haven't been worn in a long time just because I haven't been able to get the shoe out. But I am going to be buying some more shoes, so you'll see me do more of that. I'm probably going to vlog a little bit in the mall and stuff like that. Show you guys what I copped, what I got, and everything like that. I'll probably go to Table, show you guys real quick, then get out of there, get in my car. I'll probably, I'll probably go in the car and do it. It just makes more sense to do it that way. Also, I wanted to also let you guys know that, like I said, I'm going to be uploading every day. So every day this week. So please turn on your notifications, like, subscribe this video. Also, wanted to go ahead and show you guys that I did get a brand new TV. It is Samsung. It is a 65-inch TV. I'm so blessed from God that I was able to afford it and buy it. and I'm really hoping that it turns out great. So far, it's been great. I've been loving it, every second of it, to be really honest with you. I also just bought an iPad that is going to be for video editing and productivity, mostly. Not really for games, not really for other stuff like that. It's going to be stuff that's going to help the channel, and, stuff related to business wise. I'm not really going to kind of use that for games or anything. I don't even play games really. So if I do play games, it's going to be on an Xbox or my Switch. My PlayStation's at my sister's house. That's why you haven't. That's probably why you haven't seen me do a PlayStation video in a long time. I know think I've done one or two. I've done one or two. Haven't done one in a while. I will be doing one. I might do one for you guys, but you won't hear me do it. It might just be I set up the camera, turn it on, and then show you guys through there. Because I am gonna be buying The Last of Us Part 2. I know that just came out, so I will be buying that on my sister's. Well, not really my sister's, it's mine. It's my PlayStation 4. I'm gonna buy it on there and play it the time that I'm with my mom next week. So I'll be there. I probably won't play Friday because it's probably gonna be too knocked out. But Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, you're gonna see me on it, playing it. I might post one or two videos, maybe, I don't know. Really depends on how I feel, but I definitely won't be posting like a regular video for a while after Friday. So I really want to grind, put like at least 4 videos out just to keep you guys held over. I am going to be doing another podcast video with, thank God, a better camera, so this so it can come out very good and better. I am going to be really editing that one. This one's going to be more raw, so I'm not really going to be editing this one too much, and maybe to at all. It just depends. I like doing raw footage. I don't like cutting out a lot of things because I feel like then it's kind of fake and I feel like it's a little bit staged. I'd rather prefer to have most of the video that's shot in it, unless it's just really tacky or just doesn't make any sense to put in a video, or if it's for another video. So that's the only time you'll see me do it like that. But yeah, and also I wanted to let you guys know, I do have a Jordan jersey here, and it's one of my favorite jerseys I've ever gotten. I got it from my best friend and roommate Devin. It's a Jordan USA jersey that he wore in the 1992 Dream Team. Obviously, it's not the exact one. Obviously, that'd be insane. But it is Air Jordan certified. So that's crazy. And also, I wanted to go ahead and mention, if anybody wants my SpongeBob Tims here, if you want them, go ahead and make me an offer. I'm gonna go ahead and be posting it. I'm also gonna be selling a lot of things, so I'm gonna be putting a controller up there, a couple of action camera. I'm gonna put a lot of things up for sale because I really just want to get rid of a lot of things. Honestly, in my room, I don't really want to keep a whole lot. There's not really a whole lot to keep, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of a lot here, so my room can be more clean, because right now it is not, and it is unfortunate right now. But it will get cleaned up. Everything will get back to better. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, buying more shoes for sure. So you'll definitely see the day that I get those grapes. I will buy them on the day. I don't care. I'm gonna buy them on the day. You will see it. I will put a video. I'll be recording that. Also, I'm gonna be recording the time I get an Xbox Series X or the PS5, one of the two, depending on exclusives. You're gonna see that. So there's a lot of upcoming great things you're gonna see. Also, you're gonna see me going through the process of getting my first car. I'm proud. I can't wait to do that. That's gonna be in September, October time. So I will be getting one. So you will definitely see a new vehicle. Right now I drive a 2009 Ford Focus. So it is what it is. I'm not mad at it. My mom got it for me, so I'm not mad at all for it. But I do want my own car. I do want to do that for myself. Yeah. Also, what was I going to say? Is there anything else that's new? Oh, I'm gonna be buying a new phone in August, so you'll see that process. I might do. I'm trying to think. I might go on a trip here soon, in like 2 weeks. I don't know 100%. It's really up in the air. I'm gonna say I doubt it now, but it could happen. So it's more like a 60% no, 40% yes. So it's on that kind of track. Yeah, so it's kind of like on that. line, so I have to see what I do there. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for right now. I am gonna maybe do another video here as well, and then I am gonna be posting, like I said, today through Thursday, putting out content for you guys, so you guys know. I'm also gonna post it on Instagram on the story in the morning what I'm gonna be doing for that day, so you guys will see what I'm about to post. And then in the afternoon, it probably won't come out till 8:39, so put your notifications on and get ready to check the time around 8:39 because a new video will be dropping then. All right, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Peace.